Hi everyone, it's MJ from My Paper Journey. How's everybody today? I hope you all had a wonderful Thanksgiving. I know I did. Got together with my sister-in-law last night, and yeah, we stuffed ourselves, and then we played loteria, which is like a Spanish form of bingo. So yeah, we have fun. So, and we also celebrated my brother-in-law's wife birthday. So it was it was a double celebration. So today is hashtag alter paper clips, and it's an open collaboration that is being co-hosted along with me, my friend Dale from Not Too Shabby Chic, and my amiga Gigi from Journal Gigi Hana. And yeah, and the theme, the prompts for this Friday are paper dolls and birds. So anything goes as long as you use birds and use paper dolls, or anything how you interpret paper dolls. And then birds, however, you can do a birdhouse, not necessarily use a bird, or you can do a nest, so forth. So let's get started. First of all, I printed the digitals that I'm using today. Again, they're from Cara, the Shabby Art Boutique, and Shabby Art, and I think that's the same name, yeah, here on YouTube, and the same as her Etsy store. And she's an Australian designer, and she does beautiful watercolor works, and that's what her digitals are. And so I went ahead and I printed some so I can use. And I only printed them and cut them out, and I already distressed them. However, I haven't really thought out how or what I want to do. And I got two paper clips here because I don't know what I'm going to do. But anyways, let's start with the bird. And I have these two right here that I printed on both sides. And I haven't really thought out exactly what I wanted to do, but I think I've already scored. Yeah, I've already scored the center. And if you hear some talking, my son and my husband, they have a very strong voice, so their voice echoes. Yeah, both of my sons' voices are very strong and loud, like my husband. One thing I tell my husband, he doesn't know how to use like doesn't know how to speak low. He always talks really loud. When he's on the phone, he talks so loud that it's hard to hear him. Sometimes when he calls me and he talks really loud, I said, bring your voice down because I can't hear a thing because he's so loud. But anyways, okay, so these are digitals, like I said, from Carrie Ann, and I don't remember which digital it is. I'll put it on the description box if I remember. But this has birds here, and here there's birds here as well. You know what? I'm going to tone down the music. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. I didn't realize. I thought it was on low by music, but it wasn't on low. I haven't really thought out what I wanted to do. I don't know if I want to do it as a double, as a, well, no, because I don't want to cover this up either. So my thought was, put a paper clip. Yeah, it's going to be in the back. But I thought as it lays on the page, when you take it off, you can write on here as well and in front. And then I thought, well, maybe I keep it inside and then embellish the front. So maybe I'll do that to one and not the other. So which birds do I want on the front? I think I want these. And these can go on the inside. I'm going to make two. So I'm going to have to move fast because I'm a very slow crafter. So I have a scrap piece here that I trimmed around. So I could always cover it up. Of course, it's not going to match because this is the only scrap piece that I have. I guess I could use something else to cover that up, huh? But I don't know if I have anything cut out for that. This is for my other one. Yeah, that's all right, I think. Cover it up like so. I didn't really have a lot of time to think this out, you know, I'm busy with the holidays and family. Did you guys get to see the Macy's Thanksgiving parade? It's a parade that I always wait until they show it again. It's not one parade that I get up and watch first thing in the morning. And it was pretty nice. I'm not too fond of the floats because that's all they are. They're just floats. There's nothing to the imagination. I like the floats that are actually created, like the ones that are being driven on a truck, or because those were actually they put some thought into it to create those floats. That's probably why my favorite parade, of course, is the Rose Parade, because those are handcrafted by volunteers, and they use nothing but natural, everything organic, and yeah, they're just gorgeous. I was blessed to be able to have gone and seen the Rose Parade one year with my sister and her husband then. They've been divorced since, and my niece was, oh, I don't know, Ivy was maybe like a year old, a year or two, 3, I don't remember now really. Yeah, she might have been like 3 years old. And she's 22, so it's been at least 19 or 20 years. So that was our first and our last time that we went. It was really cold. So, okay. But those, oh my gosh, the scent of the flowers, and it's just, you know what I can do on this one? I didn't know if I was going to use this. I can use and make a pocket on the inside like that. That's kind of sticking out a little bit, so maybe I can try to, I think I'll just cut this off a little bit because I think that's just adding bulk to it. And it'll be like so. Yeah, much better. I don't know, cover that up a little bit. I don't know. Like I said, I haven't really thought out what I was going to do. I only printed these because I love Carrie Ann's digitals. And they're so soft and cute. I'm not really so much into cute but lately I have. Maybe because of my granddaughter, I'm getting back into the cuteness of crafting. Oh, do I have? No, I don't. I don't have tags to put in here. I didn't think about it. Oh well. And I use this multiple bows, and I cut out some bows with oh, I have some of this left that I think I can do a little tag. I hope I didn't knock the my tripod here and made you guys dizzy. Oh, I have the scoring instead of the cutting. And my printer has a 1/4 inch around top and on the sides, and on the bottom it's a 1/2 inch. So that kind of bothers me because it's an inexpensive printer, but it does the job. I used to have a big one, and that was a pricey one, and a toner printer, and sorry, I have the tripod right here really close by. I'll use this as a template. No, I think that's too big. There we go. This is what I do. To cut the corners. Oh, I'll use some used up gift cards. And sorry, I'm reaching across. And maybe I'll like I said, I didn't really have anything planned. So that tag can go in there. Oh, it's double-sided. Great. And because this is the bird, maybe I do have some birds cut out that I think I can use. I can use these little birdies here. Maybe I should put some kind of I have some scraps here that I can use, maybe collage that or something. Can make it too bulky because it's a inside tag, and I don't want to create a lot of bulk. And well, I could use a bow, huh? One of these bows. Would that be too much? Not too much, but I mean, you can't really see it. Then I have a little scrap of pink here. I don't know. I didn't plan this at all. I have this scrap here. Maybe I can't use some of it. I didn't want this to be too long. That's why I didn't have anything, like I said, prepared. How does that look? I just want to use whatever's here. I don't want to be searching for anything else. Like that. Yeah, I'm gonna go for it. I'm not gonna think too much because I don't want this video to be too long. And I'm just gonna put some glue so this stuff doesn't move on me, because then I don't remember how I place things. Like so. I think I had too much coffee today. Aren't these little birdies so cute? Well, maybe I can put, I have this lace here. It's not white. Oh, I do have a piece here. This is white. Is this white? I can make a bow. Trying to find something to poke this through. Maybe just a simple knot. That goes. That can go like that and there. See, that's why I didn't want to make it too bulky, because then it won't go in there. So it's kind of cute, even though it's not what I wanted to do, but okay. You know what, I remember I got some of those Tim Holtz little clips. Where did I put them at? But anyway, so here's my first one. So it'll be on the page like this. I have a little clip, I bought some little, oh, where are they at? I had them earlier, but I don't know where they're at. But so it'll keep this closed, and the tag in there. There's my birds, and then there's a note also on the back. So double-sided. Yeah, nice and simple. So I tell ya. Oh, here they are. These little clips. Too bad they don't make these in white. Oh, I could have done is these are tiny ones. Help it keep it close. There. Okay, so this is for my bird. And so that's that. And I guess I won't be doing this one because I don't want the video to be too long. The other is the paper dolls. And I'll leave this to the side because I'm not sure if I'm going to be using scraps. because I always use scraps. And I'll leave those, throw that on the side. And for the dollhouse, oh no, paper dolls, I thought I'd use, this is also from Shabby Art Boutique, Carrie Ann Digitals. So my thought is this one's going to go in the front because I kind of shrunk the paper because I didn't want the letters to be so big. I wanted to show up more in the background that I didn't, I kind of missed this side here. So this is what I want to do, is put the paper clip. Oh, no, I have no idea what I wanted to do. What did I want it to do? Oh, yeah, I think. People. Sorry. I have no idea what I was going to do now. But I did cut out some little tags and some paper dolls clothing. And so I can do a pocket here in the back. I thought I had some paper left for the pocket. I mean, that matched this. I don't know what I did with, but I can use this because that's what oh, here it is. See, I knew I had one. So I can do a pocket in the back. And then put all these little clothing back here. But you know what I want to do? Now that I'm looking at this, do I have any? Don't I have some other? Oh my goodness, I thought I had everything here. I was just looking at this. It'd be nice if I cut this open and then for the little doors to open. But I like to, wouldn't it be nice if I could put something under here? So when you open the doors, but I don't think I have anything cut out. Let me check if I do. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. I found this and I already cut it out, so you don't have to see me cut this out. I thought it'd be great if, and I already cut around the door here. If I showed that little girl like that, I think it'd be cute. I'm glad I thought of it. The little girl is giving her dollies a bath. I know you can't do that with your paper dolls, but... And I put some glue on this. Guess it really doesn't matter because it's going to be on the inside. Like so. And I hope I've been staying in frame all this time. So this goes like that, and I've already went ahead and glued on the pocket in the back to save some time, but I'm thinking I'll put some lace here, and I'm just going to use whatever I have. No, this is too bulky. And I don't want a big lace, so I'll use the same one that I use on the bow. Would that be too little, huh? Oh, I have this scrap. See how that look? That'll work. Okay. I'm knocking things down. So I'll put some glue here because this is going to be in the inside. And the reason why I printed both sides, I really didn't need to print both sides, but because they're PDF, that's one of the reasons I do not like PDF files. Because it's not like you can, you know, select what you just want to print. No, whatever's on that page for the PDF, you print, whether you need it or not. And so if any of you are designers, I don't buy these is because I didn't know better. But yeah, certain things I'll buy PDF. But the majority, if I see that that's all it is, PDF file, I don't buy from that designer at all. For that same reason. And because I'm not able to really, I mean, I could downsize the piece, but then the whole page is white, so I'm wasting cardstock. And you know, cardstock is not cheap. And that's how I end up with a lot of white strips because of that. And so I like, if you can do PDF is fine, but also do JPEG on your papers. Because otherwise, then I don't, oh, I need to put my paper clip, huh? Where's my paper clip? Oh, here it is. So my paper clip goes in the back. So it's a shame this cute little house will not be used and will not be seen. I have my window open if you hear car screeching, tires. Yeah, we get a lot of those young kids. So like that. And maybe I can put one of those bows that or can I use one of these? Oh, it's too big. Too big. Oh, they're over here. Let me see, which one do I want to use? I probably dropped some already. I'll just either use that one. I lost the little bows that I cut out. Did I put any here? My goodness. My stuff has feet. They all seem to disappear. They walk away from me. What about this one? This one's kind of plain. There's no... But it's bigger. This one seems to be a little small. But there was another one that was so pretty and I don't know where it went. I just had it. I showed them to you. Like I said, my stuff has feet. They like to walk away from me. I don't know. Oh, here it is. It's me. I'm the blind one. Can't see where I put my stuff at. Story of my life. Would this be better because it's bigger? Yeah. Just a wild guess here. that. And with a little sparkle. No. How about a flower somewhere here? I'll just leave it like that. And let me see here in the back. Oh, maybe I can use this here. Is that too much pink? Or maybe I can use one of these little dolly clothes, since I seem to have cut out too much, and then put a little rose there. Yeah, I think I'll do that before I change my mind and think of something else. I can't really put like a lot of embellishment in the back, because then it's going to be too bulky, because I don't know, like that maybe. Put a little bow there. No. Okay. Then I have these little tags with a dollhouse and all these cute little doll clothes. And I'll put a blue outfit. So this is my take on paper dolls. The dollhouse and the little door here with a little girl playing, and the paper doll clothes. And maybe I'll put the little bunny somewhere. Gotta use the bunny. Oh, can't really stick out, because too much, because then that's got to go on the page. So yeah, okay, so here is my bird with a little tiny pin. So simple. There's my birds here and the word note, and then you can journal there, and you can journal on the back. Open this up, you can journal here, and here's my birdie tag, and journal in the back, and it's tall enough that it covers that little patch there where I put my paper clip. Yeah, I hope you liked it, guys, and I'll see you. Oh, maybe I can put this here. Well, we'll see. See you on the next video. Thank you for if you stayed around to the end. Don't forget to visit all the other channels. Dale, Not Too Shabby Chic, Gigi, Journal Gigi Hana, and then I also have Paper Confession by Cara, Mia, and Celeste from Woodland Inspired. Go visit their channels. And I'll see you on the next video. And next Friday, it'll be Dale hosting the altered paper clip. So stay tuned. See you guys. Take care. Love you all. God bless. And may God watch each and one of you and your loved ones. Bye-bye.